Evacuation warning in place in part of Modesto along the Tuolumne River. We're standing on River Road right now, and you can see the accumulated water under this underpass right now. People taking a chance driving through it. This is not advised. You have no idea how deep this water is until you drive through it. Now, by bystanders, we have been told by people who have disabled vehicles now that this is around 2 or 3 feet deep. You can see person after person taking chance after chance. Let's get to that evacuation warning. So I want to have you take a look at this map on your screen right now. The area in red, that is the area under the evacuation warning right now, and it's east of South 9th Street and west of Avon Street between River Road, where we stand, and the Tuolumne River. Now, if you are somebody who lives in this area, you actually have a resource to go to. You can evacuate to Patterson High School, which sits at 200 North 7th Street in Patterson, California.